Loveland frog, mate. Real. Loveland frog. Real. Real. That's what it's supposed to look like, right? Real. The Loveland frog. Everyone knows who it is. Everyone knows what it is. Everyone knows that it's real as well. It's just one of them things, mate. You don't want your kids to know about it, because if they do, they'll probably fucking kill themselves. Because they're scared, mate. Look at it. It's fucking, it's mad. Look at it, bro. Hind legs, mate. Look at the dench, bro. You don't want to see that. See here, mate. First seen in 1972. But I think it's been around for like, what? It's like 1800s or something. 1 AM, mate. So that was when it was first seen. When it was last seen, bro. 2016. He's still about. He's still getting about. And if he isn't, if it's not the same Loveland frog, it's his kid, which is even worse. That means there's two of them, and they've been shagging. But look, a night of fun turned into a chilling tale of hell when two teenagers playing Pokemon Go between Loveland and Lake Isabella claimed to see a giant frog near the lake on August 3rd that stood up and walked on its hind legs, bro. A frog walking on its hind legs. Nah, mate. No. You can't imagine it. Because it's fucking terrifying. A frog walking on its hind legs. I know. Can't imagine anything scarier than that. A frog walking across the road. Imagine a scene. Pitch black night. Yeah. Driving along the fucking old shit road, yeah, dirt path, whatever. You stop because you see some fucking something green, yeah, tiny thing, green thing going your eye, but you stop, you look, yeah, it's a fucking frog on its hind legs staring at you, mate. There is nothing in the world that is scarier than that. If someone was like, oh, bro, picture the scariest thing you can think of, I'd picture a fucking frog on its hind legs, mate. Because Jesus Christ, lad, that is, I'm fucking tearing up just thinking about it. It is, mate, no, no, please. Ah, man. So some people will wonder, fucking hell, what if it's just a normal frog standing on its hind legs? And I get confused and I think it's the one and only Loveland fucking frog, man. And mate, there's one thing I'll tell you about that. No normal, law-abiding frog stands on its hind legs and stares at you. So if it does stare at you and it's on its hind legs, that's important. Then mate, fucking leg it. Run. Run. That's the only advice I can give you. You gotta run as fast as you can. Here is a picture showing a normal civilian, yeah, a fucking civilian, how to differentiate the difference between a normal frog and a fucking Loveland frog. Yeah, keep your eyes peeled. Being as scary and fucking elusive as this little green man is, you never know, it could be a fucking humanoid, yeah. You know, certain experts have come out in the past saying how fucking scary it is and like just how it's real and shit. So, you know, don't take my word for it. Take these Don's word for it. Who've been university and that. Yeah, nice. Oh yeah, every time I go somewhere, they fucking say, "Oh, Loveland frog this, Loveland frog that, mate." Nah, trust me, I've seen it being from fucking Australia, wherever fucking from. Yeah, fucking hell, mate. I thought Dogecoin was bad. Fuck me, lad. This cunt was smoking a cig and I split at the same time. Do not mention that name around me, mate. It gives me severe PTSD. We don't understand it. No one can understand it. Run. Here are some pictures of the fucking mighty Loveland frog and it caught in its natural habitat. It's just caught slipping, geeking, whatever the fuck you want to call it. You know, you can't prove to me that something like this is not real when there's photo evidence. People have been fucking traumatized by him, and it's a frog on its fucking hind legs, mate. You know, that's too fucking schizophrenic to even say it's fake. This is a more solid picture of the Loveland frog in its fucking little wooded area. You know, it blends in quite well. You gotta really fucking strain your eyes to see it, but you can just see it there in the middle, staring. You know, imagine you're out hunting, you see that, not making it back home. This one is a really curious picture because you can see it's in an house, and it looks like it can jump at least fucking 2 foot off the air. Fucking guessing by the picture. So it makes it even more like versatile, more dangerous. You know, do you even want to fucking, mate? You can't even run away from this thing because it can jump at you. It'll be able to fly in the next couple of years. You know, fucking know. Say you walk downstairs middle of the night trying to get some water or whatever. After you just woke up, and you go downstairs and you see a fucking frog jump across your fucking vision, going Mach 10 speed, bro. Yeah, you have to evacuate the whole fucking city, never mind just a little town. You have to blow up that town immediately if you want anyone to survive. Now this next picture I'm about to show you is damn right horrifying, disgusting, and just mind-blowing. If you cannot handle it, please click off, because this picture will probably change your perspective on life as it is. Now this picture seals the deal for me. This picture, the person who took this picture did not make it out alive. As you can see, the fucking Loveland frog bulked up, probably in winter or something. You know, I'm not a scientist, can't really go into them details yet, but it looks fucking hench. It was hench. The kid didn't make it out alive who took this picture. You know, he clearly went into the little guy's cave or whatever the fuck. You know, he took a picture, but that was the last thing you seen. Imagine the last thing you see being Loveland frog. You don't even want to know how he died either. Mate, nah, I can't classify it. This just proves how deadly the Loveland frog is, you know. If you came eye to eye to this man, he looks about 6'4" on this picture, you know, he's only about fucking 2 foot. But 6'4" on this picture, you know, he's clearly been hitting a weight source or protein shake, rice cake, because fucking hell, he knows he wants it. He's trying to get his fucking KD up. This picture here is a hard one because when you show this picture to a fucking civilian, you know, down the shop, whatever, trying to get him in the cause, trying to show him the fucking truth, that is a fucking random, disgusting, Lovecraftian being out there killing people, murdering, raping, whatever the fuck, yeah. Then they show it them and they're like, well, what? It's just grass. It's just grass. Well, mate, let me open your eyes. Now you can tell what's wrong with this picture, can't you? Now you can see. It was camouflaged into the picture so well. That's just how elusive the fucking Loveland frog is. That's how dangerous he is. Next minute, he just appears out of fucking nowhere on his hind legs. A frog on its hind legs. A frog on its hind legs. A frog on its hind legs. Run.